Namaste. This video is a small explanatory video. Since we stopped all on-site and online classes since a couple of months, any inquiry I get, I'm sending people to this channel to practice watching it. So just a few sort of suggestions from my side on how you can do this practice. If you go to the playlist, there are various different playlists that have been made on pranayam, the Vyayam of Pran, the Ayu signature series, the series on chakras, and then there is one with the Surya Namaskar, which is yet to be completed, but you can, of course, start practicing it. So be joyous and you can go through it, see which meditations resonate with you. And the same meditation can be repeated again and again, of course. But I would suggest not to do too many of them in one day. Try and do one or two. So you can do one pranayam and one chakra series or one ayu signature, and just feel see how you feel practicing. Okay, that is first. And second is remember that yoga sadhana is a very, very individual and private path. Okay, in a group you normally lose sense of yourself. There is a lot of introspection in this, and the purpose of yoga sadhana is to realize the divinity within yourself. So there's no external worship, there is nothing. It's just you sitting in your body temple and looking within. And as you keep looking within, as you move through the layers of your consciousness, as you move through the layers of your panchakosha, the inner spirit starts to radiate itself outwards. And then you realize that there is no divine outside. The divinity is within yourself, and you are the divine. But that takes a lot of time because we have many fine layers of our mind, of our thoughts, of our biases, of our emotions, and we have to work through all of them, and nobody else can do it but yourself. Okay. So the techniques are for that self-discovery and are to be used as a process of self-discovery. Don't lose your own clarity. Don't lose your own mind. Remember, these are tools and techniques, and you must apply them to yourselves and discard those that don't work for you. Apply those that work for you. So in what I'm trying to say is that don't lose your own it's called Vivek Buddhi, okay? Your own intelligence and your own clarity in the whole process, and make it work for you. And if you have any doubts, anything, you can write, put it on the comment section, or you can write to me. I think my email address is all on the website everywhere. I'm happy to reply, and I reply back quite fast, okay? So let's begin. Let's do a little meditation at the end, because what is the point of just talking without a practical methodology? Okay. So once again, sit relaxed, drop your shoulders down. And we will begin by just watching our breath flowing in and out very gently. You're conscious of your physical body of flesh, because that is the grossest of the bodies, and you can touch it, you can feel it, you know it's there. You can see the blood, you can see the skin. So become conscious of this physical body, which is the easiest part of connection. And then gently raising our awareness, we will start feeling the breath. So the breath, even though it's not visible, but can still be perceived and felt, subtler than the physical body, yet not as subtle as the mind and emotions. So feel the breath flowing in through your nostril, saturating your body with oxygen. This is an introduction to your 5 subtle bodies. From the pran, from the breath, you will move to the body of emotion and mind. So just go inwards and watch yourself, watch your thoughts, see the patterns of thoughts, see the patterns of your emotions, developing a witness consciousness, the Sakshi Bhav of watching yourself. Like I said, it's an intensely personal journey of yoga sadhana. So if your mind is wandering, remember that is the mental body. That is your mind. If emotions come up, that is your emotional body. Then from the emotional and the mental body, we'll come to the body of the buddhi, the first witness consciousness. But the buddhi is often misled because it looks out through the lens of the mind, your emotion, the physical restrictions and pain, the turbulations of the breath. So as these still and become transparent, the buddhi is able to see with more and more clarity. Now, subtler than the buddhi is the intuition, the Anandamaya kosh, a faculty of higher intelligence. So when we practice yoga sadhana, we are enhancing the powers of the, or rather the functioning of the subtler bodies, like the Anandamaya kosh and the Vignyanamaya kosh, while healing the lower bodies of the Annamaya kosh, the Pranamaya kosh, the Manomaya kosh. Now, encapsulated in all these 5 koshas is your soul. And within that soul is the spirit of the divine. And the whole process of yoga sadhana is to go inwards and connect with this inner spirit, realizing it to be a part of the universal spirit or the consciousness that is all around us, permeating everything, living, non-living, animate, inanimate, oceans, cosmos, planets. Wishing you a very joyous journey along this path. It doesn't matter which path it is, find the one that suits you, find the one that works for you, and find the one that is right for you. And you are the best judge of it. Great. Now take a deep breath and relax. A small capsule of information and meditation. And we'll continue adding to this repertoire of different types of practices. And you're welcome to join and partake of it as you like. Namaste.